Okay, I'm ready to take a break, but I decided to use the small oval sink cutouts. It gives it a different feel, and let's be honest, I needed a lot more material, and I really wanted to, if I can get this top on, it'd be awesome today. So I'm still going to need more. I'm going to get a measurement after a break, and I have some more big ones, and maybe I can use them on the top to tie everything together. So the trick was making sure these match. I got a little bit of wobble there I don't like, but I think I'll be okay when I put the big one on. Here I'm pretty darn good. It seems to come down to this little one, so maybe I need to change that one out. Okay. Looking cool. And getting close. All different cool stones in here too. It's a shame you're not going to be able to see most of them. But just beautiful stuff. It's amazing what Mother Nature can do.